Hello everyone and welcome to GizmoOne. So before we start, we are going to unbox anything and everything which we are getting our hands on. Without wasting much time, let's go ahead. And here we have a package which we have got from Amazon. This is a wallet which we received from Amazon. We actually went ahead and ordered it. It's from WildHorn. Let's go ahead and check what's inside. It's a typical packaging we have, and we did purchase a black one. They said it's a pure leather. It's just a cardboard, and there is nothing much inside the box apart from a piece of paper. Let me just keep that aside and let's go ahead and remove this wrapper. It will be right here. So here is a wallet. It feels sturdy in your hand and it has some design patterns both the sides, and inside also we do see the same pattern. We open the wallet and you can see inside we do have the WildHorn logo, and the material feels very nice to the touch, and it's very nice. It's not so hard, not so soft, but it feels very good actually. And outside we have two slots where you can push in some extra credit card or visiting card or any of the sort, which you can do it here. And when you open the wallet, we have some cards available from WildHorn, and at the back nothing. If we open this, we can see one more WildHorn card and nothing on the back. And we do have main two compartment here. This is the first and this is a second main compartment. Let me just zoom that in. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, this is the first one, this is the second one, and we do have a few small compartments and a lift over here. We can just lift it, and we do see here one and two slots, I mean three slots actually. So here you can add some extra cards if you'd like to do, or any visiting cards, and here you can put your iCard, and again we can see the same similar pattern, three slots here. And we do have this, some extra smelly stuff. Okay, inside the same pattern again, and the materials feel so good to the hand. Let me just show that. This is how it looks, and we do have a zip here, or a chain if you'd like to call it a chain. I mean chain if you want to go ahead and hide something here, which you can do. Okay, overall if you see, the wallet is very nice. I got it from Amazon almost like for $5.49. It has almost like two main compartment, two outside compartment, and inside the three compartment here, again three more here, and we do have the side compartments here, and one pouch, let me call it this as a pouch where you can put your coins, and one zipper compartment where you can have your little personal or private things which you can put inside this. So overall I say it's very nice wallet. If you want to give this wallet to somebody, go for it. It's very good. There are different colors. I'll give a link in the description, and if you like that, just go ahead and purchase it. So this will be it for today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. If you are already subscribed, please share this video and help this channel to grow. So please do help us reach that 1000 subscriber mark. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Peace.